Welcome back to Smart Solutions Hub, where we fix your computer problems one step at a time. If your computer feels unusually slow or freezes for no reason, one common cause could be high disk usage. Let's confirm it. Right-click on the taskbar to open Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab and select Disk. If you see your disk usage stuck at 100%, that means your hard drive or SSD is constantly being read or written to, even when you're not doing much. This can cause delays, lag, or your PC feeling unresponsive. Step 1. Disable startup apps. Let's start with an easy fix: disabling unnecessary startup programs. Some apps launch automatically every time your PC turns on, using your disk in the background. To disable them, right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that start with Windows. Right-click any program you don't need immediately. As for me, I don't need Microsoft Edge running immediately I start my computer, so I just right-click and select Disable. This helps your PC start faster and reduces disk load right from boot. Step 2. Disable Windows Search and SysMain services. Next, we'll disable two Windows services that can cause high disk usage: Windows Search and SysMain. Windows Search is the service that constantly indexes files on your PC to make searching faster. It's useful if you search your files often, but if your disk is already slow or full, this indexing can overload it. SysMain, previously known as Superfetch, tries to predict which apps you'll open next and preloads them into memory. This sounds helpful, but on some systems, especially with older drives, it can cause heavy disk activity. To disable both, press Windows plus R. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Right-click it, select Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop, and then Apply. On the same tab, search for SysMain. This reduces unnecessary background reading and writing on your drive. So you right-click, select Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled, click Stop, and then Apply. Step 3. Adjust virtual memory settings. Next, we'll adjust your virtual memory settings. Virtual memory acts as an extra memory area on your disk that Windows uses when your RAM is full. But if the size is set incorrectly, it can constantly write to your drive, keeping disk usage at 100%. To fix this, right-click this PC, select Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings, then go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your system drive, usually C:, then choose Custom Size. Now, if you have 8 GB of RAM, type 8,000 MB in both boxes, Initial Size and Maximum Size. Click Set, then OK, and restart your computer. Step 4. Optional fix: disable tips and notifications. Another small tweak you can try is disabling Windows tips and suggestions, which can also trigger disk usage. Go to Settings, System, Notifications. Scroll down and uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. Once you've made all these changes, restart your computer. After it loads, open Task Manager again and check your disk usage. You should now see it staying between 0% and 10% when idle, which means your fixes worked. Your computer should feel smoother, apps will open faster, and that constant lag should be gone. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, share it with someone having the same issue, and subscribe to Smart Solutions Hub for more simple and effective computer fixes. Thanks for watching.